EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame. Great trade for day traders out there who are using Forex Trendy. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you many interesting tricks and I'm going to explain you trading levels. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the Forex market and which trading opportunities you can find using Forex Trendy to cash in and grow your account. Let me make a little disclaimer. Of course, you are not gonna win, make money on all the trades. This is unreal, and all the traders have losses. So it's very important to have a very good and strict money management. Only that way you're gonna grow your account and make money steadily. So the first trade of the day here on the 5-minute time frame is EURUSD. We have a falling wedge buy signal, break at 0.561, very close to the 50 level. So pay attention, guys, to levels that are very important, the 50 and the 0. Okay. When the price is very close to the 50 and 00, you have to wait a little bit because it's gonna retest before taking off or falling down. As you can see here from this trade, we got a breakout here. Okay, the price then starting to go up. Then we have a evening star forming and the price retesting the 50 level, very close. So the previous high here. Okay, so expect a retest, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Then the price started to go up again, breaking up the previous high here. So it went up, but then again get close to the 50 level, as you can see here. Okay, so expect retests, and then finally went up. Okay, to 0.610. So 50 pips trade. It's a huge amount of pips for the traders, of course, especially if you have a very strict money management rule. Analyzing the trade, the price action was looking promising because we got these two bottoms here. And then after these two bottoms, the price just started to go up, building up the pressure, then forming the falling wedge, as you can see. And nothing was pretty good. Then we got this double bottom here forming, and if you are very conservative trader, you are gonna look for patterns like this. Okay, if you are aggressive, you're gonna enter. Put your stop loss down below here and then just let the trade go. If you hit the stop loss, you will be minus, but if you reach the target, you will plus. So let's jump to the let me undo this. Let's jump to the next trade. We have euro and the Swiss franc. This trade is a textbook trade, and the price action looks incredibly good. As you can see, we got a very strong bullish impulse here, then the triangle forming the breakout. The first breakout was this, as you can see, but I guess you don't enter here on the spike, because if you enter here on the spike, that's a very rookie move. So I will wait for confirmation. Okay, so the first breakout was a tease at 0.115. The price then went back inside the pattern, retesting the 11 level here. As you can see, it touched so many times, and then this big grand candle here, as you can see. Okay, so for me was the best time to enter the market here after this green bull candle, and then you're gonna expect the price to go up, reaching the 0.151. So a nice trade, not a big one, but a nice trade. Okay, price action is perfect. Price action is perfect because, as you can see, that the price is adding to the triangle. Okay, with a nice bullish impulse, moving as usual with forming higher highs and lower lows. and then taking a break here with this nice pattern and then going up. Let's jump to the New Zealand dollar and Japan yen. This was a failure. Price action was looking pretty good, okay, but you know, sometimes even if you have all the odds to your favor, it's not enough. It's not enough because the market is unpredictable. So let's go and analyze. Here on the left, you can see that the price was touching this very strong resistance at 1850. You know, remember the levels, 50. So we got this nice channel forming, then the breakout, then the retest here, okay, and then a bullish impulse down here, and then rebounding, okay, and the price went up again, you know, retesting this very important price structure. If you use POC, you're gonna see that a majority of investments of traders are here. You know why? Because the price is heading again back on this area between 85.29 and 80.50. So the first time, you know, was retesting the lower part of this channel here, as you can see, trying to go down but fail again, and then retesting the upper part here, and then again the upper part here. So I will wait, honestly. This trade was fair, okay, because even if this flag is a little bit too stiff, you know, because the pendants is too much, in my opinion, for my rules. But okay, you can, if you're moderate aggressive, you can enter, but be aware that 50% you're gonna lose money here in this situation. But it's okay, it's okay. Even if you want to scalp, but it's up to you because nobody knows, you know, when the market is going. Because of course traders who enter here are expecting to go down and down and down, but it didn't happen today. Okay. Let's go to the next trade, British pound and Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal, break at 65.99, so very close to the zero level. So again, we are going to analyze price action. As you can see on the left side of the chart, we got this very important structure here close to the 70 level. This is intermediate level and the price is retesting many times, then falling down and again back on this level. Well, if you look better at the chart, it looks like a big head and shoulder. We should see it on the 15 on the 30-minute time frame. We got the left shoulder here, the head here, and the right shoulder. Okay, so price action looks promising because after this bottom here, the price started to go up, and bullish impulse is pretty strong, you know, because it's breaking this previous highs and this previous level. Okay, as you can see here, this very important level got tested with this retracement here and then up. No fear of going up. And the flag is honest here. Okay, so the market is, let me undo all these things here. Okay, so the flag is honest, you know, because the price was retesting this level very close to this price structure we were talking about later before, and breakout was solid, but again the price was retesting this structure here. Okay, so I expect a retest when you have these very strong price structures. That's an indication for your stop loss, or if you're using ATR. It depends on your strategy. Okay, so it was a solid one because then after retesting the 1684, you went up to 1644. So a very nice trade. The price was not able to go higher than the previous high here. Okay, but in May is still in progress, so you may retest very important levels like this. So we're gonna see what will happen next 30 minutes, hour, okay. USD and Danish krone, we have a triangle sell signal break at 0.291. So when you're gonna trade exotic pairs, you're gonna find great opportunities, of course, but there is a problem for most of the traders that have small accounts. But even for traders that have medium or big account, it's a spread. It's a spread problem. But price action looks perfect here. Looks perfect, because the price isn't going down aggressively, it's going down calmly, so it's doing everything. We got these two tops here, and then breaking this level here, retesting a few times, and again the previous support is now acting like a resistance. Because if you see this pattern here, the triangle, the price last time was retesting with this spike, the previous resistance, and then he had no problem to go down. Okay, and the breakout was solid, no retest, going down to 0.082 from 0.291. So huge trade, huge one, and it happened in the afternoon because the signal was at 15:50 Greenwich time +1. And so, like in 1 hour, you were banking in a lot of money, of course. Let me take a look at the last trade. It's still in progress, but here again, the price action is looking promising, because we got this very strong price structure here at 85.92, very close to the 0.0 level. So we got a 0.0 level. So the price is feeling so much this structure, and we got this bottom forming here, and again, as you can see in the triangle, is these two bottoms are testing this previous high, and everything is in line to go to the 50 level, because it's a breakout is 86.22. So yes, it may happen, but it may not, because now is retesting this preview high, and we will see if it's going to be strong enough to break it and fly to the 50 level. Okay, always check the 30 minutes time frame to see where the bigger players are going and when the price is heading. Okay? Because 5-minute time frame is a very small time frame, and things changes so fast, and you need to stay focused. While trading the 30-minute time frame, you're gonna enter the trade, like you buy, okay, and you leave like for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and your trade is still in progress. But on the 5-minute time frame, you need to stay here, okay? Here, you can't go anywhere. So this is why day trading is not for everybody, okay? So for today is everything. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment below. See you soon. Bye bye.